Kapag TV. Today we're gonna build a dollhouse. Remember last time we built the living room? Daddy's gonna help me. Say hello.
Hello.
Now we're gonna open it. This blade is too dangerous for kids. Be careful, you need a broom.
Alright, so this is how it's gonna look like
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
once we're done.
Yeah, when we're done.
And right at the back, you have the instruction. So, let's take a look.
This is a lot.
Yeah. So on the cardboard, every parts have numbers on them.
Yeah!
Which is also indicated on
Instruction.
the
This is
instruction.
upside down.
Yeah, there.
That's
So we're gonna follow the numbers. There you go.
wow, cool. How about these? Number 15 and number 12.
That's a lot of posts there. What are those posts for?
So you can connect them together. But this is a lot.
Oh, this is nice. You can actually put a hole on those windows. There are holes in there.
Oh, that's so cute. There's holes in the window. Cool. I like it.
Pretty nice.
Wow. Can we really take off? Oh, yeah. All the instructions.
Yeah.
Neat. Look, guys.
So
They look like glasses.
let's look for number 19. Where's number 19? Oh, there's it.
Yeah, that's number 19. I just get it.
Probably this brush. Did you try this?
Over it like this. Oh yeah,
Give it a
I
try.
can poke it. Only poke one point.
Okay, very good.
I just like the damn.
Okay, we're putting the side walls. Let's see if it fits perfectly. There you go.
Wow.
Let's look at the instructions. See what it says here, 17. We're gonna look for that little piece that says 17, Anika. Where is it? There you go. Found it. Right here.
See, it's perfect.
So this
I
is
really
going to be a
Possible.
corner.
This is simple.
Gonna be in the corner. This is to balance the floor.
I just poked
It'll
three.
be stable like that.
I just poked 3 holes.
Okay, let's put all this trash aside.
I just poked 3 holes.
Okay, next. What's next, Anika? What's that?
We need number 15. But I can't poke the
Oh,
hole.
is that the bed?
No. Number 15 for
15. Yeah, this one.
but I can poke the hole.
Oh, that's not the bed. That's a floor.
Yeah, it's the bed. It's the floor for the bed. It's gonna be the floor.
So that the bed will be a little bit elevated.
Elevated.
Okay, so according to the instruction, this is where the foot of the bed goes. And then we have like a table here, a small table for the lampshade. Lampshade is number what? Number 5. Let's look at number 5. Where's number 5, Anika?
about number?
Yeah, the good thing about this is it's a number system where you can find the parts,
I'm a bit confused.
and then you could just look at the parts and
Where's the bed? Is this the bed?
it's number 26. Oh, no,
the
25.
bed is
25. It says 25.
Where's 25? Put the bed.
Show them how you put it.
Look, I put it like this. See? It's already done. Easy peasy.
What's next? These are the clothes that we're gonna be hanging on the closet. We got all the numbers there. Sure, we got all those clothes right.
How about the makeup table? What is the number? I need number 30.
Here's number 30. I'll give it to you.
Number 30 is easy. Easy right there. Yeah.
That's how easy to find the pieces because it's numbered.
Yeah.
They're numbered. There.
Oh yeah, I need to get this thing out. Look, I need to get this thing. Look, I need to get this.
Which one?
This one. I mean,
Such a good one.
I need to get this.
Oh, yeah. This.
See, I need to get this.
There.
Wow.
It'd be like a box. One. There you go. Looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. But wait, what is coming up?
Okay, so we have
The
the.
dresses.
Oh, you probably need to put all the hangers there.
But I want to.
Hang the clothes first, and then
Why?
we'll put the clothes in.
Why?
It's gonna be difficult for you to put the clothes there if it's already in here. So you better put all the clothes, and then we'll put the clothes in.
There's my little bookshelf.
It's right in the corner, Anika. I need another flower right there.
I need a little flower. I need a little flower. I need a little flower. I'm a little flower. I'm a little flower.
You move a little bit here so they can see what you're doing.
Hey, I know how to build that.
Yeah, good job. You did a great job on that
Now finally, I just
drawer.
built the doll.
Okay, the final
Girl,
piece
la, 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 la.
on our bedroom is the shelf.
Now it's done. For 5 minutes, I'm still gonna play for this. I want to play.
Alright, there you go.
Look at that bedroom. It's so cool. But, oh yeah.
Does it look like the instruction?
Yes.
Does it look like the same with what we have on the picture?
Yeah. Oh no, the girl. Hide in it. Oh no, look at this. I'm gonna get. This is so nice. I like. Okay, guys. This is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. Okay, bye.
Bye! Enough?
Yeah.
Enough?